Hello, I am Nancy Allen, and I'm Ombudsman with the Bay East Professional Standards Committee. Today we are talking about antitrust laws. What are antitrust laws? The Sherman antitrust laws can also be referred to as competition laws. They are statutes developed by the U.S. government to protect consumers and ensure fair competition exists in the open market. So how do antitrust laws affect us as realtors? Antitrust is a body of laws that prohibit anti-competitive behavior and unfair business practices. The laws protect buyers and sellers from practices like price fixing, bid rigging, market or customer allocation, and group boycotts. So today let's talk about price fixing. This is a per se offense, which means there are no exceptions or extenuating circumstances that excuse this antitrust violation. As realtors, one element of price fixing would include multiple brokerages agreeing on the commission rate that each will charge. Any agreement, whether it is verbal or written, that restricts price competition violates the law. Brokers need to independently set their prices. If a customer asks you what you charge for commission, you should never use statements like, "This is the rate every firm charges," or "Commission rates are pretty standard." Remember that commissions are negotiable and, in fact, can be negotiated at any point during the transaction. Other examples of price fixing include agreements among competitors regarding terms or conditions of a listing agreement, such as the length of the listing, the type of listing accepted, or the marketing services to be provided by the listing broker, although such agreements may not be treated as per se violations. A price fixing discussion can happen innocently. To stay out of any potential trouble, don't discuss your pricing or terms with competitors. If you find yourself in the midst of such a discussion, immediately suggest that the topic be changed. And if that is unsuccessful, promptly leave. If you are in a meeting where minutes are being taken, then insist that your departure be noted for the record. And what are the consequences of violating antitrust laws? Both civil and criminal penalties may be imposed. In civil cases, you could be held liable for 3 times the plaintiff's actual damages and payment of the plaintiff's attorney fees and costs. In criminal cases, penalties include hefty fines and prison terms. Antitrust laws exist to prohibit collective action by real estate professionals that restrain trade, and you need to know and abide by these laws. A link to where you can find more information on antitrust laws can be found at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.